This is question number 10, GCSE May 2024. It says solve the simultaneous equation. We have solution. We are going to explore using different method of solving simultaneous equation. First, we take elimination method. In elimination method, we are going to remove or eliminate one of the variable x or y. So we write 5x minus 2y equals to 23. We take this to be equation 1, and we write the other equation 2x minus 3y equal to 18, equation 2. To eliminate one of the variables, we say equation 1, if I circle it, mean equation 1 times the coefficient of x in 2, which is 2, then equation 2 times the coefficient of x in 1, which is 5. So when we do that, 2 times the whole of 1, we have 2 times 5x gives us 10x. 2 times minus 2y gives us minus 4y, equal to 2 times 23 gives us 46. We call this equation 3. And we say 2 times 1, 5 times 2 gives us 10x. 5 times minus 3y gives us minus 15y. And 5 times 18 gives us 90. We call this equation 4. Now we say equation 3 minus equation 4. 10x minus 10x gives us 0. We have eliminated x. Then minus 4y minus 15y gives us plus 11y equal to 46 minus 90 gives us minus 44. Now to get y, we divide by the quotient of y, which is 11. Then we have 11y all over 11 equal to minus 44 all over 11. 11 cancel 11, left with y equal to minus 44 divided by 11, we have minus 4. Next step, put y equals to minus 4 in equation 2. You can choose any of the original equation, but I choose 2. And equation 2 says 2x minus 3y equal to 18. Wherever we see y, we put minus 4. We have 2x minus 3 into minus 4 equal to 18. Then we have 2x minus 3 times minus 4 gives us plus 12 equal to 18. Now we collect like terms. If we collect like terms, we are having 2x equal to 18 plus 12 crossing sign of equality, it becomes minus 12. Then we continue. We have 2x equal to 18 minus 12 gives us 6. Next step, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. We have 2x all over 2 equals to 6 all over 2. 2 cancel to left with x equals to 2 into 6 gives us 3. Therefore, x is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 4 as the answer. Then we have to use another method called substitution method. Using substitution method, we write down the equation, which is 5x minus 2y equals to 23. We call this to be equation 1. Then we have 2x minus 3y equal to 18. We call this to be equation 2. We say from equation 2, we make x or y the subject of formula. If we make x the subject of formula in equation 2, we have 2x equal to 18 minus 3y, crossing sign of equality becomes plus 3y. Then x is equal to 18 plus 3y all over 2. We call this to be equation 3. Next step, we say put equation 3 in equation 1. Because we use question 2 to form equation 3, we are not going to put it back to 2. We have to put it to 1. And when we do that, we have equation 1 is 5x minus 2y equal to 23. Then whenever we see s, we have to substitute equation 3. we have 5 into 18 plus 3y all over 2 minus 2y equals to 23. Next step, we multiply through by the denominator, which is 2. If we multiply through by 2, we have 5 into 18 plus 3y minus 2 times 2y gives us 4y equal to 2 times 23 gives us 46. Now we open the bracket. If we open the bracket, we have 5 times 18 gives us 90 plus 5 times 3 gives us 15y minus 4y equals to 46. Next step, we collect the like terms. If we collect the like terms, 15y minus 4y gives us 11y equal to 46. 90 crossing sign of equality gives us minus 90. 11y equals to 46 minus 90 gives us minus 44. When we divide both sides by 11, we have y equals to minus 4. Then, next step, put y equals to minus 4 in equation 3, because we have already made x the subject of formula. Then we move further. Equation 3 is x equal to 18 plus 3y all over 2. Then in place of y, we have to put minus 4. We have x equals to 18 plus 3 times minus 4 all over 2. Equal to 18 plus 3 times minus 4 gives us minus 12 all over 2. S is equals to 18 plus minus gives us minus 12 all over 2. X is equals to 18 minus 12 gives us 6 all over 2, and x is equals to 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. Therefore, x is equals to 3, comma, y is equal to minus 4, which is the same answer with the first one we have. Then we are going to use another method called matrix method. Then using matrix method, we have to write down the simultaneous equation, which is 5x minus 2y equals to 23. Then the other one is 2x minus 3y equals to 18. Equation 1 and equation 2. Using matrix method, we have to bring out the coefficient, which is 5 minus 2, 2 and minus 3. Then times the variable x and y equal to the constant, which is 23 and 18. Then we have to do the determinant 0. The determinants, if we take the determinants of this matrix, means multiply diagonally. 5 times 3 minus 3, we have determinant 0 will give us 5 times minus 3 minus, when we take the multiplication of 2 times minus 2. And when we do that, 5 times minus 3 gives us minus 15 minus minus 4, which finally gives us minus 15 plus 4, which is equal to minus 11. Now we look for determinant x, which is denoted by delta x. Determinant x, we go back to the original matrix. We replace the column of x by the constants, which is 23, 18 in the column of x. We bring out minus 2 and minus 3. We still times or multiply diagonally. 23 times minus 3 gives us minus 69 minus, when we multiply a 10 times minus 2 gives us minus 36. If we continue, delta S is equals to minus 69 plus 36, which gives us delta S will give us minus 39 plus 36 will give us minus 33. Then we move to the final one, which is determinant Y. We go to the original matrix, which is 5, 2. We replace the column of Y, which is here, by the constants. And when we do that, we have 23 and 18. Therefore, determinant Y is equals to, when we multiply diagonally, which is 5 times 18 minus 2 times 23. 2 times 23. And when we do that, we have delta Y is equal to 5 times 18 gives us 90 minus 2 times 23 gives us 46. 90 minus 46 is equal to 44. Now to get X and Y, we have X is equals to determinant X all over determinant 0. Y is equals to determinant Y all over determinant 0. Determinant S is minus 33, which is here, minus 33 all over determinant 0 gives us minus 11, which gives us minus 33 divided by minus 11 gives us 3. Then determinant Y is equal to 44 divided by determinant 0 is minus 11. 44 divided by minus 11 gives us minus 4. Therefore, X, Y is equals to 3, minus 4 as the answer. This matrix method is normally used in further mathematics, especially in A levels, which is key stage 5. Then we have the same answer using different method. Now we have to check if our answer is correct. Check. The answer is correct, but we just want to confirm. What to do? We write equation 1, the original equation, which is 5x minus 2y equals to 23. In place of x and y, we put 3 and minus 4, which is 5 into 3, which is x, minus 2 into y, which is minus 4, will it give us 23? 5 times 3 gives us 15, minus 2 times minus 4 gives us plus 8, will it give us 23? 15 plus 8 is 23, which is equals to 23. The left hand side is equals to the right hand side, meaning it satisfies equation 1 is correct. Then we move further to check equation 2. Then if we write down equation 2, which is 2x minus 3y equal to 18, which is equation 2. Then in place of x and y, we put the value of 3 and minus 4, which is 3, 2 times 3 minus 3 into minus 4. Will it give us 18? 2 times 3 gives us 6. Minus 3 times minus 4 gives us plus 12 is equal to 18. Yes, 6 plus 12 is 18 equal to 18, which is correct. This is how you check if your answer is correct. So this satisfies equation 2. If this helped, please subscribe, like and share so I can bring more GCSE questions. Thank you.